everyone, welcome back to the Talk on Minds training series. Today, we'll look at how AI marketing agents can scale Web3 community growth, deepen participation, and help projects build communities that last beyond short term attention. So, this session focuses on implementation and scale. We'll cover how AI marketing agents can be deployed across social and community platforms, and how teams can drive discovery, participation, and engagement without relying on constant manual effort. So most Web3 projects struggle with the same issues. Posts receive impressions, but conversations end quickly. Engagement depends on constantly posting new content. Manual replies and outreach do not scale as communities grow. And while likes are visible, it's unclear which interactions actually lead to meaningful followers or sustained discussion. First, attention without continuity, where visibility fades as soon as posts stop. Second, manual engagement that requires non-stop human effort to stay relevant. Third, no clear participation signals, make it difficult to identify which interactions matter. The result is fragile and inconsistent community growth, despite visible activity. So, Librix.ai is an AI agent project operating in the Web3 and AI space. They were active on X, but engagement dropped once passes lost reach. Manual replies could not keep up with conversations. Their goal was to build a steady, engaged audience through consistent interaction, not short-lived viral spikes. So the first step was ensuring live breaks stayed present in relevant conversations 24/7. Core topics were defined, including AI agents, Web3 infrastructure, open source, and automation. Agents continuously scan X for relevant pauses and active threads, prioritizing discussions with high engagement potential. Contextual replies were delivered automatically to start or extend conversations. Engagement became independent of posting schedules or manual monitoring. Next, Librix focus on keeping interactions human and relevant. So AI classified posts by type, such as technical, opinion, news, or niche discussion. Reply tone adjusted based on context, avoiding generic or repetitive posts. So its reply reference specific points from the original post. As a result, replies felt situational and authentic, increasing reply quality and follow-back rates. iBricks then focus on understanding what actually builds community. AI tracked followbacks, monitored ongoing conversations, and scored engagement depth. Low quality interactions were deprioritized automatically, so this allowed the team to focus on conversations that attracted genuinely interested users, reflected in low unfollow rates. Over time, a self improving system emerged. High performing replies inform future posting topics. So AI doubled down on threads and users that converted into discussions. Weak topics were phased out automatically. The strategy adapted week by week without manual analysis, turning engagement into predictable, iterative growth. Before AI agents, engagement relied on manual replies and short lived spikes. After deployment, engagement became autonomous, conversations remained active, follower growth stabilized, and unfollow rates stayed low. So the team shifted from constant monitoring to strategic oversight. So Token Minds built TMX AI to tie AI engagement directly to real user behavior. System aligns AI actions with the project's vision and mission. So it delivers the right message at the right moment with the appropriate tone. And it enables autonomous engagement that supports gradual, stable growth with strong participation. So if you're ready to move beyond manual posting or short-lived engagement, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you in the next training video.